And this art project is inspired by the Manchu robe at the Denver Art Museum. What did Sishi's fashion choices communicate? I'm Brent, and I'm a student at the Metropolitan State University of Denver. For this art project, I chose to create an avatar because it was a way to convey my own feelings onto a character. Initially, I was given 6 attributes to base my character around: wisdom, courage, humanity, justice, temperance, and transcendence. I chose humanity, justice, and temperance to create my avatar, which is the hero. My own sense of justice is displayed by how he helps those who are in need and those who are wronged. My sense of humanity is how he has a heart for those people. And my sense of temperance is because he always puts his own feelings and troubles aside. I am able to find power through displaying each of these attributes because they all enlighten me personally. And together I was able to assemble the hero. Various elements of his armor representing each of those pieces. I also gave him a scarf, which is a reminder of his lost lover, whose last words were to always be compassionate. Next is the crucible, which is the sword he wields, and it represents the weight of his actions. And now let me show you the finished product. Oftentimes when people think of depression, they think of someone who is lonely, sad, and standoffish. But sometimes the best way to find power from it is to be like my avatar, the hero. And now his armor, bearing both of the symbols. The hat is also in reference to Ronin, because their lifestyle is very much like the hero. Those are just samurai without a master. There he is. This is our hero. Like Sishi used her passion to promote a message, I would like to use social media to promote the message of the hero, which is use your pain as your power, because that's what me and my avatar represent. Doing this activity, I was able to show something contrary to the typical attitude of someone who's depressed. It felt great to create my own character because I was able to project my own feelings of emptiness and loneliness onto a character, and through that, I was able to find my own power.